Hi guys, I'm Drake Vincent Wahinaralao and I'm a grade 5 student. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you what to do before earthquake, during earthquake, and after earthquake. What is an earthquake? An earthquake is the sudden shaking of the ground caused by the abrupt release of energy in the Earth's crust, which happens when rocks along a fault line suddenly slip past one another. This movement is caused by the constant shifting of tectonic plates, which build up stress over time and release it in a violent or weak shaking event. The shaking can cause widespread damage, including fires, landslides, and tsunamis. What will you prepare before an earthquake happens? Prepare go bag or emergency kit. Inside the go bag, you have blanket and extra clothes, important documents, canned goods, drinking water, portable fan, alcohol, first aid kit, extra batteries, power bank, non-perishable foods, toiletries, medicines, identification card, whistle, extra flashlight. Now, our go bag is ready. What to do during earthquake? What to do after the earthquake? Thank you for watching and I hope you learned in this video. Don't forget to be prepared and stay safe always. Bye.